morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has added 0.4% in the last session. The ADX has moved into the positive zone. Bitcoin has lost 2.4% in the last session. The MACD plunged into the negative area. The price of gold has fallen 1.6% in the last session. The MACD transitioned sharply into the negative zone. The price of crude oil has lost 1.5% in the last two sessions. The stochastic RSI transitioned sharply into the overbought zone.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
The OPEC Plus consortium, which has received much criticism regarding the collapse in oil prices toward the end of April, is beginning to see cracks in the alliance. The BOE cheered that consumer spending rose, but unemployment will double and GDP fall significantly. The anti-risk Japanese yen may rise versus currencies like the AUD and NZD on U.S.-China tensions and fiscal stimulus woes.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The Swiss unemployment rate will be released at 3:45 GMT, the Eurozone Centix investor confidence at 6:30 GMT, the US JOLTS job openings at 1200 GMT, the New Zealand's electronic card retail sales at 20:45 GMT, the UK BRC like-for-like retail sales at 21:01 GMT, and the Japanese current account at 21:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.